So today we got some resin paint, a few test pots, went a bit overboard and it's still wet. It's kind of a bluish green. Done trim on the fence. It looks alright, I think. And on the edge of the carport here, just to see what it looks like. A couple of wee test pots, only like 100 mils if that. And lovely concrete that's all coming out this month. Got a test here on the smashed up bit of the carport. And just trying it out, see what it looks like. There's a trim on the window ledge as well. Looks alright, I think. It's a bit of a shitty job painting it on there, but over here actually you can see the difference. This is the one called Big Stone. That one, I forget the name of that one. It looks like it's looking paler than in the video, but this colour is probably the one I'm going to go with, called Cinder, C-I-N-D from Resin, and that will go on the trim for all the windows, and especially this front facing board here where there used to be a guttering, but the previous owner decided when it fell off just to not replace it. And more concrete that's going to come out, this icing concrete here. So that's today's mucking around, an hour or so, and now I'm going to take off the paint, sorry not the paint, take off the masking tape.